Let's be honest here, most of the math that you learned in school was very important, just not really for you.
I don't need this stuff, Mr. B.
That said, there are some small and incredibly powerful ideas that can completely change your life if you know how to use them. Today we look at the only investment math you'll ever need, the Rule of 72. With the Rule of 72, you can easily estimate how long it will take some amount of money to double, given a constant interest rate and compound growth.
We would all basically double our investments.
It's super simple. You just take the number 72 and divide it by the interest rate percentage, not the decimal, the whole number percentage. So if I have $10,000 in an investment account that grows 8% per year on average, how long will it take for me to have $20,000? Very simple. 72 divided by 8 is 9. That's your answer. It will take about 9 years for that money to double.
Wow, that was simple.
In a previous video, we looked at how to easily make your child a millionaire by setting aside a couple bucks a day and investing early on in their life. Go and check that video out after you finish this one. For now, stay here, don't go yet.
Stay here.
Let's use the Rule of 72 to validate the lump sum that we needed to invest right when the child was born to make them a millionaire. We found the amount to be about $20,000, and we'll assume the market grows about 6% per year after inflation is accounted for. Using our Rule of 72, we have 72 divided by 6, which equals 12. It will take about 12 years for the money to double. Now that we know this, we simply follow the amount in the account over the child's life until the child's ready to retire, doubling the value every 12 years that go by. So at age 0, there's $20,000 in the account. Then at age 12, there's $40,000, then 80, 160, 320, 640, and then when the child turns 72, there will be about 1.3 million in today's spending power. Go back 5 years, there will be about $1 million in the account when the child turns 67. Awesome.
Freaking awesome.
The Rule of 72 follows after a little bit of fun with logarithms, and with any approximation, it's not perfect. It's most accurate in the 4 to 12% interest rate range. Even so, it still isn't too bad when you go outside of that range, so 72 is a pretty decent number to use. If you want to get wild and crazy,
fair warning, we can get crazy.
Adjust the numerator by 1 for every 3 percentage points away from 8% that you go. And the number 72 is super convenient. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, and 24 all divided.
Shut up, nerd!
These numbers just happen to be pretty common interest rates you're going to see out there. And there you have it. Use the Rule of 72 as a nice starting point. Remember to always adjust your interest rates for inflation if you are projecting out more than a couple years. And if you like this video, check out my last video on the optimal path to paying off debt and managing money. Let me know what topic I should cover next in the comments. I can't wait to hear from you. Best of luck on your journey. Take care.